In this video, I am going to discuss a very interesting question. This question is based on concept of number theory. This question also came in PRMO exam 2009. The question is, so that there is no integer a such that a square minus 3a minus 19 is divisible by 289. Now, I am going to give a very interesting solution of this question. Now, let us assume a square minus 3a minus 19 is divisible by 289. Now, what is 289? 289 is equal to 17 square. So, if a square, what does it mean? If a square minus 3a minus 19 is divisible by 289, this means a square minus 3a minus 19 is also divisible by 17. Now, what about a square minus 3a minus 19? We can write a square minus 3a minus 19 as a minus 10 into a plus 7 plus 51. Now, what can we say? If a square minus 3a minus 19 is divisible by 289, and we know that 289 is a perfect 17 square, this 289 is what? 17 square. This a square minus 3a minus 19 is also divisible by 17. Now, a square minus 3a minus 19 can be written as a minus 10 into a plus 7 plus 51. Now, what about this 51? This 51 is divisible by 17. So, what can we say? We can say that this a minus 10 into a plus 7 is also divisible by 17. But 17 is a prime number. 17 is a prime number, and we know that prime number has only two divisors, 1 and itself. This means either a minus 10 or a plus 7, a minus 10 or a plus 7 must be divisible by 17. But what is difference of a minus 10 and a plus 7? We know that difference, if you think difference of a plus 7 minus a minus 10, it is 17. So what does it mean? This means if a minus 10 is divisible by 17, divisible by 17, a plus 7 also divisible by 17, because difference of the two, a plus 7 and a minus 10, is 17. Also, we can say that if a plus 7 is divisible by 17, a minus 10 also divisible by 17. So what does it mean? This means a plus 7 into a minus 10, if any one of a plus 7 or a minus 10 is divisible by 17, other must be divisible by 17. This means this is divisible by 289. So finally, what conclusion we draw? We can draw the conclusion this a square minus 3a minus 19 is equal to a plus 7 into a minus 10 plus 51. So finally, we draw conclusion, if this a square minus 3a minus 19 is divisible by 289, this means this must be divisible by 17 also, and we know that this is divisible by 17 because 51 is 17 into 3. If this is divisible by 17, this means in this a plus product of a plus 7 and a minus 10 is also divisible by 17, but their difference of a plus 7 and a minus 10 is how much? This is 17. This means if a plus 7 is divisible by 17, a minus 10 is also divisible by 17. So what does it mean? This is divisible by 289. This bracket term is divisible by 289 and this is not divisible by 289. So finally, we conclude this a square minus 3a minus 19 is not divisible by 289 for any a, for any integral value of. So hope you understand the solution and enjoy the solution. Thank you and see you in next video.